कि अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान मुज़ाकरात के लिए भीख मांग रहा है, लेकिन नहीं पता कि वो अब तेहरान से मुज़ाकरात करेंगे या फिर नहीं। काबीना से खिताब में ट्रंप ने कहा कि ईरानी आपस में शिकस्त का एतराफ़ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मीडिया पर कहते हैं कि कोई मुज़ाकरात नहीं हो रहे। कहा कि ईरान के पास डील का वक्त है, डील होने तक ईरान पर बमबारी जारी रहेगी। सोशल मीडिया पर अपने पैगाम में कहा कि ईरान संजीदगी का मुजाहरा करे इससे कबल कि बहुत देर हो जाए। एक बार वक्त गुजर गया तो कुछ हो नहीं सकेगा।
They are begging to make a deal, not me. They're begging to make a deal. And anybody that saw what was happening over there would understand why they want to make a deal. But they say, oh, we're not talking to them. Anybody would know that. And only a total fool. And they're not fools. They're very smart, actually, in a certain way. And they're great negotiators. I say they're lousy fighters, but they're great negotiators. They are begging to work out a deal. I don't know if we'll be able to do that. I don't know if we're willing to do that. They should have done that 4 weeks ago. They should have done it 2 years ago. Or they should have done it when we first came into office. The Indian regime is now admitting to itself that they have been decisively defeated. They're saying to people, this is a disaster. They know it. That's why they're talking to us. They wouldn't talk otherwise.